Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on X/Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the NewQ wireless charging battery with kickstand and Apple Watch puck charger right there. It comes with 3 separate ways to charge. Apple Watch, 5 watts total, 12 volts out of here. You have a USB Type A power button right here, and up to 15 watts maximum wireless charging right here, compatible with MagSafe. So we have an iPhone right here. We're going to attach it. This is a Pro iPhone Pro Max right here. We're going to get it attached to the wireless charging part right there. There we go. And then we have an Apple Watch Ultra right here. And we're going to put that on the back. We're going to start charging that on the wireless charger. There we go. So now we have the Apple Watch Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max charging up front. You can do it vertically or horizontally. You can use the Apple Watch charger puck on the back or leave it folded in, and you can charge this on its own. This does up to 15 watts maximum total output with all of the ports and everything going at once. So again, you can just do the Apple Watch charging in the back if you want. You can have just the iPhone charging up here if you want as well, or you can fold all this down. This is from NewQ, and you can just use the ports. So it has a legacy port here, Type A, Type C, and you're off. Very easy, 10,000 milliamps. You can charge your iPhone and your Apple Watch Ultra, as well as other wireless charging Apple devices like the AirPods Pro version 2. And you can even charge this Nintendo Switch as well with the USB Type-C. This is Chris. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.